Hi guys, thanks for tuning to Ricky's New Hat. I am Ricky and sawan-sawa na ba kayo sa inyong tunog lata na earphone? And you don't have the budget to buy those high quality mga branded na earphones? Well, I've got the episode for you because today we'll be unboxing budget earphones. Let's get started. If you're hearing noises in the background, I apologize. That's my wife and kids in the kitchen and my son stomping his feet on the second floor. So let's move on. I know in our last episode, nag-unbox tayo ng something related to audio, no? And here, we have another episode that's related also to audio. So, baka isipin ng iba sa inyo parang ito na yata yung direction na pinupuntahan ng channel ni Ricky. No, it just so happens na, ito yung kwento kasi. We need something to calm down our minds. And music does it for me sometimes, well, most of the time, mga podcasts, mga paranormal podcasts, no? And I choose ones na medyo makwento at to the point na it becomes static to me, no? Parang inaantok ako pagka ganun. And so I require earphones for that because yung wife ko naman listens to audiobooks naman. So ayoko naman yung naghahalo yung sound ng mga pinapakinggan namin. And of course, Samsung includes USB type na headphone, yung AKG. So, almost exclusively. Hindi madali maghanap kasi ng USB-C type na earphone sa market. And so, kailangan ko maghanap din ng adapter na Type-C from 3.5mm to Type-C. The reason why I needed a replacement kasi minsan bigla na lang nawawala yung earphones ko. No? Hindi madaling dumampot na kahit anong earphones because nga, most of our earphones sa bahay ay 3.5mm na earphone. Para sa mga hindi po alam kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko dito, ito yung basic earphone jack na 3.5mm ang tawag dito. So, I decided na bibili na nga ako ng isa pang earphone para anytime hindi ko makita yung earphone, meron akong backup na earphone. And I also purchased an adapter for that. So, ito yun, adapter, no? From 3.5mm papunta sa USB Type-C. Okay, so yan. And I ordered it from Lazada. So it's 328 pesos. So these are the two earphones na ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. It's made by KZ. So dalawang model to actually. When I got my first earphone na KZ, okay sa akin yung tunog, no? It's not the best sounding earphone. Pero for its price, maganda yung tunog niya. Maganda siya. And it's only 328 pesos ngayon sa Lazada as of this recording. So I gave that actually to my daughter, my eldest daughter. And then tinanong ko yung wife ko, gusto niyo bang bumili ng earphone? I bought one for my sister, my wife, my other daughter. And then naghanap ako kung meron pang ibang model. And maraming model itong KZ brand na earphones. And I got the higher priced model which is only 671 pesos. So, it promises a better sound. So, kaya curious ako ano yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa. Totoo ba na magkaiba ng tunog to? So, we will unbox this now. This is the KZ EDX type headphone. Ito yung 328 pesos. And this is the KZ ZST which is 671 pesos ngayon sa Lazada. So, let's unbox the two earphones. So right now we're opening first the KZ EDX. This is the box. Tanggalin muna natin yung plastic. It's made in China. Puro Chinese ang nakasulat dito. I don't know if you can read it, no? Hindi ako naka-autofocus pero it's in Chinese. So open natin. So ayan yung black. This is actually parang picture lang ano sa camera. Pero tanggalin natin yung plastic cover. Parang picture lang, you know. Pero it's actually the earphone. Now, what's unique about this brand is nadidetach yung kanyang wire. Okay, so this is not a Bluetooth device, no. Nadidetach yung kanyang wire. So if you need to replace your wire, replace yung earpiece itself, pwede. Kaya ang galing ng concept nila. So these are the extra buds. No? Pero normally naman kung ano yung kasama nung unit mismo, okay na sa tenga mo most of the time. And this is the wire. Tapos ang kanilang wire ay transparent yung yung pinaka-cover, no? This is grayish yung kanyang yung wire, and naka-loop around the ears ito. Yun yung design niya. So yan, dito ipapasok yung wire. Okay, so that's the EDX variant. So let's unbox this time the KZ ZSTX. And ito yung higher model, the 600 magkano siya? 671. So same packaging concept as the EDX. Naka-embed din siya sa foam like that. So apparently mas may base dapat ito. So this is the ZSTX. Itong kanya extra earbuds. And then the wire. Ang unique sa brand na to, puro transparent yung mga yung rubber ng kanilang wire. And this model has, instead of copper wires, puti yung silver yung wire, and braided. Okay, should I be worried about this? Kasi manipis yung coating niya, unlike this talagang maramdaman makapal yung rubber coating. Pero this, you can feel the wire itself. I hope matibay ito. And ito yung mga wire niya. So, ang KZ earphones, maraming iba-ibang variants. So, yung una-una bili ko was clear. Clear yung kanyang pinaka-body. Marami sila. Meron siyang black, merong clear gray, merong clear talaga. No? So, this is the opaque na gray, solid gray. And then, ang choice dito sa model to, the ZSTX, ay purple tsaka cyan. So of course I chose the cyan, no? And ang kanyang body. Ang shape nila ay pareho lang, no? It's parang fit in your ear, no? Which is yun ang gusto ko, no? Kasi yung earphone ko from Samsung ganyan lang no? So yung dulo lang and minsan natatanggal. I have very oily ears times. So bigla na lang malalaglag. Minsan pag nakatulog na ako, malalaglag na siya. Yun. Mahirap to, baka minsan madadaganan mo. So kaya ako pinili ito because it fits snugly in the ears. Yan. So how to install this? What you will do first is you need to install yung earpiece kasi walang nakalagay dito kung left or right yung piece na yon. So for you to find out which piece fits in which ear, you have to make sure na yung pinaka port na nasa earpiece ay nasa may bandang taas. Kasi if you wear, for example, the right side earpiece to your left ear, that port would be pointing down andito sa baba. So kailangan yung port ng cable ay nandito sa taas dahil yung cable will be looping over your ear and into the earpiece. So tama to. So ganun ng for you to determine which piece goes in which ear, isusuot mo talaga muna. And then for you to syempre tell which cable naman goes to which ear, yung merong button na piece ay of course kadalasan naman yun yung nasa kanan. Okay? So ito yung walang button, ibig sabihin ito yung nasa kaliwa. So isuot na natin sa cable. So meron ding right, tamang pagkabit pala, dapat nakaganyan. Yung shape ng tenga nga pala ang susundin mo. Like that. Okay? Yung shape ng tenga. So going around like that. Yan. Ganyan. So yan ang iyong set. So we'll do the same for the ZTX model. Yan. Okay, maganda yung pasok niya, no? Medyo tight siya. Yan. Okay, hindi ko gusto yung combination ng white and cyan. Sana ginawa lang cyan na rin yung cable, Kaya at least black man lang. Not like this. And I mas preferred ko yung ganitong klaseng cable. Yung medyo smooth lang, hindi yung ganito. I don't know, no? Pero magkakatalo to sa sound quality. So we will test first the EDX model. Unfortunately, no, I cannot let you hear what I'm hearing. At yung tunog naman syempre will vary kung anong device ka nakikinig. So it's not the real sound that I will be hearing. It will not translate to what you're listening to, no. Pero I will describe to you kung mataas ang highs and yung lows niya. So I got my phone here and kanyang adapter. It's just so sad that I have to use an adapter, no. Yan. So, kabit natin first yung EDX. Let's open Spotify. And tinatawag ako ni Ayu. First things first, ang ganda ng fit niya around the ears. And pag tinanggal mo sa tenga mo, syempre, it stays there na nakasabit lang pero you can hear, no? Yun ang kagandahan niya. Hindi na kailangan malaglag or hawakan mo or isabit mo sa collar mo or what, no? So, yun yung advantage ng having a loop over your ears. So, maganda yung fit niya sa tenga. Okay? Now, let's listen to the sound. Malakas siya actually, no? Ngayon, ang ayaw ko lang dito ay wala siyang volume control dito sa talkpiece. Deal breaker. Yes. Yun yung deal breaker for me. No, wala siyang volume control. It only has a stop and pause and play button o previous track tsaka next track, no. Pagka next track, press 2 times. Pagka previous track, 3 times. Kailangan mabilis yung pag-press mo. And then pause and then play. So yun lang yung function ng button. And then to answer calls, you press the button. To stop the call, you press the button again once. Ganun lang. Ganun lang ang function nitong piece na to. Okay, so yun lang yung deal breaker for me. Other than that, magtsatsaga ka lang talaga to adjust the volume dito sa phone mo mismo. Now, as for the audio quality, depende sa phone mo. Like my Samsung, kung may equalizer siya, kung may built-in equalizer siya. Pero coming from the AKG na earphones na kasama nitong Samsung, hindi siya ganun kalayo. Medyo mas mataas lang yung mid-range nitong earphones na to kaysa sa AKG, because AKG talaga templado niya yung sound niya eh. So kaya compatible siya with Samsung na rin. Ganun yung system nila. Pero for this earphone that you will use on a Samsung phone or an Android phone, hindi na masama. Hindi masakit sa tenga. Hindi siya tunog lata. Because may marinig kang bass to it eh. Kasi pag tunog lata talaga, as in, wala kang bass. So advantage talaga kung magkakaroon ka ng equalizer sa phone mo, mas matitimpla mo na maayos itong earphones na to. Okay? This is 300 plus lang, 325, 328 pesos. Pero maganda yung tunog. And ganito pa lang, at midway, okay pa rin yung sound niya, and it blocks the external sound, no? Yung ambient sound sa paligid mo, it blocks it very well. I can't hear yung maingay sa kusina namin. Midway pa lang yon. Though I will not advise na lagi ka magtotodo ng sound, pero if you really love what you're listening to, so malakas talaga siya, malakas. So I hindi ko maitodo-todo. Malakas lang. Malakas yung sound niya. Okay. So for 328, is it worth your time and effort para mag-order ng ganitong klaseng earphone? Yes. Yes, kung marami ka mabibili kasi sa mga cellphone shops na mumurahin na earphone at that price range, pero pag pinakinggan mo, ang pangit ng tunog talaga. Tsaka maganda yung system nila. Pwede mong palitan yung yung wire, no? Pwede mong palitan yung earpiece mismo. And then I also know na yung KZ brand, they have a Bluetooth module for this kind of yung model, no? Yung Bluetooth is merong plug din na isasaksak po sa earpiece mo mismo, magiging Bluetooth earphones na siya. Ang hindi ko lang alam kung walang information doon kung ilang oras yung playing time niya. Yun lang. Because the JBL, the live tune na Bluetooth earphone ko is 6 hours yung playtime. 6 hours, no? Yon, kaya mahal siya. Okay, so now we're going to try the other model, which is the KSTX. Okay, it's almost twice the price. Magkatunog siya. Pero para magkatunog siya, right off the bat, hindi prominent yung kanyang bass sound. No? Yun yung isa sa mga description niya. Balikan natin yung description niya sa Lazada. Hi-Fi Bass Sports DJ Earbud Headset. Ewan ko lang the sound seems the same to me. What if I put on different earpieces? Sige, galing ko talaga. Gagana kaya? So let's try it. Na magkaiba. Sa kaliwa ko is the KZ EDX. Sa kanan ko is the KZ ZST. Walang pinagkaiba. Walang pinagkaiba. It's just the physical look that's different, but the sound quality is the same. It's not bad. It's not bad actually. Pero if you're thinking of, I don't know yung mas mamahal kasi yung price ng mga earphones nila can go as high as 2,000 plus. No, siguro yun yung mga, well, I hope iba yung tunog na nun, mas maganda yung tunog na nun. Pero between 328 and 600 plus, no? Pareho lang ang tunog. It's just the looks, no? Pero the looks of the 300 plus earphone is not bad already, and maganda naman yung kanyang earphones. So kung mamimili kayo sa dalawang to, I would suggest bilhin nyo na mas mura because they sound the same, no? The aesthetics wise, mas maporma to because it's medyo semi-transparent na iba yung kulay, hindi yung basic color, because these are just basic colors. It's either white, black, gray, or clear gray, or clear yung kanyang plastic, but the sound quality is the same. Just buy the cheaper one because you'll get the same sound quality if you're very particular with the sound quality. Would I recommend this? Yes, for a budget earphone, yung 300, sulit na. Okay na to. Maganda yung wire. It fits well sa inyong tenga. Hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. Para may noise cancellation function. Hindi yung internal noise cancellation, but because the rubber and the earpiece fits well in your ears, mabablock niya yung external sounds and you can enjoy your music the way you'll want it. No? So, the KZ brand na earphones, okay na siya for budget earphones. Not bad compared to other budget earphone at that price range na tunog lata. It sounds okay for me. Okay, so hindi ka nalugi for 300 pesos. Okay, so that's it for Ricky's New Hat. So maraming salamat and I'll see you in the next episode.